Score a touchdown at your tailgate with grilled steak beef kebabs. Kebabs are a great option for tailgating because you can pre-assemble your kebabs at home and then just simply place on the grill. Plus, it's a fun way to show your team spirit by using your favorite team colors with your fruits and vegetables in your kebab. A good beef cut to use for kebabs is a top sirloin. It's a good all-purpose beef cut that's tender and grill ready. And a tip for easier slicing, place the steak in the freezer 30 to 45 minutes before you're going to slice it. It makes it much easier to slice those nice even cubes. Cut your pieces even size, and when you're assembling your kebab, leave a small space in between the food to ensure even cooking. For great beef tailgating recipes, visit iabeef.org.